Before you even think about hitting the shutter, let's make sure your Canon Eos 250d is primed and ready to capture perfection. First things first, power open the battery compartment cover. Located on the bottom of the camera, make sure your battery is fully charged and insert it correctly until it clicks into place. A dead battery is a photographer's worst nightmare, so confirm that charge. Next, data storage. Locate the memory card slot, usually on the side of the camera. Take your SD card and insert it firmly with the correct orientation until you hear a small click. A full card means no new photos, so double check you have ample space before stepping out. With power and storage sorted, it's time to turn it on. Press the power button, typically found on the top right of the camera body. Your screen should illuminate, indicating it's ready for action. Now for essential settings, look at your mode dial on top of the camera. For general shooting, we recommend starting with a flexible mode like Program P or Aperture Priority Alt. If you're comfortable with basic exposure control, this gives you a good balance of automation and creative input. Finally, a quick visual check. Give your lens a gentle wipe with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any dust or smudges that could affect image quality. A tiny speck can ruin an otherwise perfect shot. And there you have it. Your Canon Eos 250d is now prepped and ready for its close-up, ensuring every shot you take is set up for success. Go capture those incredible moments.